History Channel's Counting Cars is a reality show that has been on since 2012. Danny Coker and his team at Counts Customs are shown on this show as they fix up and create anything with wheels. Counting Cars stands out from other shows like it because its projects are so cool and its cast members are as weird as they are skilled. One of these skilled actors is Ryan Evans, who has been on Counting Cars since the first season. He is Counts Customs' main painter and airbrush artist. Even though Ryan was an important part of Counts Customs and the TV show, he was fired in the season 8 end. His sudden departure from the show is still a secret. Today, we'll try to figure out what happened and learn more about Ryan Evans' life after Counting Cars. Ryan, like most people, has worked hard to get where he is now, but his start in the business world was not grand. Before he became the go-to guy for unique art on cars and bikes, he was just a kid who didn't know what he wanted to do with his life. At the age of 7, his parents gave him a t-shirt with his name on it. This sparked his interest in making things. Ryan thought this was the coolest thing ever, and he couldn't stop thinking about it. This painted t-shirt led him to start an airbrush painting business. Ryan's interest in this kind of work grew when he was in high school in Germany, an art teacher showed him how to do it. Ryan was born and raised in Frankfurt, Germany. He went to high school there and graduated from Frankfurt American High School in 1992. Even though he went to a community college in Texas to study business and accounting, he never really cared about it. After college, he started looking for jobs painting cars because he felt that was his true calling. Ryan could have painted on canvas or done other kinds of art, but his love of cars and bikes, plus the time he spent in his dad's garage, made him want to customize cars. Over time, he learned himself how to use an airbrush with the help of a professional auto painter who let him watch him work. Ryan was already a well-known artist by the time he finished college. He had worked on many painting and spray projects. He moved to California and got a job as a specialty painter. His skills made him stand out right away. In 2000, Shannon Aikaw, who ran the bike shop Counts Customs, was interested in him because of his good name. Shannon liked Ryan's work so much that she told Danny Coker about him and got him a job at Counts Customs in Las Vegas. Ryan's life changed when he joined the team at Counts Customs. At first, the shop was mostly about making changes to choppers. But over time, it grew to include customizing any kind of car, which helped Ryan get even better at what he did. Danny put his faith in Ryan's skills, so he quickly moved up the ranks and became the head painter. Their work together would last for more than a decade, and Ryan's contributions to Counting Cars were important. Fans were shocked when Ryan suddenly left the show after the season 8 end, even though he had a great track record and was clearly talented. Many people thought that he had been fired because he didn't meet production goals. But the real reason is still unknown because neither Ryan nor the History Channel has said anything about it. There were reports that Ryan would join another History Channel show called American Restoration after he left the show, but nothing ever came of this. Ryan is still an important part of Counts Customs, and he and Danny Coker work together closely. Even though he isn't on Counting Cars anymore, he is still a big part of how the shop works and makes important contributions. Ryan's social media accounts show what he is working on right now and with whom. He has a big online following, with over 70,000 people following him on both Facebook and Instagram. He often posts updates about his latest paint projects and donations. Away from social media, Ryan has been on shows and goes to big industry events, where he acts as a spokesperson for Counts Customs or gives talks. Ryan loves spending time with his family, even though he has a lot of work to do. Since 2015, he has been married to Donna Pauly. Together, they have 3 kids, Logan, Kelly, and Austin. Ryan loves body art and tattoos just as much as he loves cars and his family. He respects the talent in the tattoo business. Fans are still hoping to see him show off his talents on a new stage in the future, even though he is currently taking a break from reality TV without telling anyone.